Hi everyone! Today I will be demonstrating the massage on one side of the face, so you can clearly see the effect of the massage. Watch till the end to see the result. Before starting the massage, you need to clean the skin and apply a little oil. Always start the massage by turning on the lymphatic system, otherwise you will not remove swelling from the face. Gently work the points of lymph node accumulation. I spend a lot of time working with the lymphatic system because I have a swelling problem. If you are interested in seeing what I used to look like and why I got into massage therapy, post it in the comments, I'll make a video about it. Now we start the massage. We begin to warm up the skin with light movements along the three lines of the lower part of the face. First, second, third. Massage doesn't need to be rushed. I realize you don't always have time, so try to give yourself 10 to 20 minutes a few times a week, like after you wash your face. Now light circular movements around the eye. Movements should be very light because it is very easy to form creases from increased touching. It is better to look in the mirror for the first time to control the force. And the forehead. We can work a little harder here because the forehead is completely on the bone. Increasing the pressure, and we start working upwards in circular motion from the bottom. Work on the first line. On the second line. To avoid stretching the skin, you can hold your face with your other hand near the place you are working on. Continue with the third line. It is important to massage under the zygomatic bone, so as not to stretch the thin skin under the eyes. Massage the area around the nose well. This has the effect of relaxing a large number of muscles in the face and, as a consequence, working out wrinkles. You can also start to breathe better. Move on to the temporal muscle. We need to relax it. This is the first step to make your eyes look more open. And we finish with circular movements on the forehead. We remove the accumulated excess fluid on the face with the edge of the palm from the center to the ear and down the neck. I usually do it 2 or 3 times. Increase the pressure, also starting from the bottom. Grab a fold of skin and roll it to the ear, also along 3 lines. Work the face all along the lower jawbone from the outer and inner sides of the face. Work along the second line with the one finger, and be sure to fix the skin near the lips with the other hand. Do the same on the third line under the cheekbone. Let's do a lifting exercise. From top to bottom, form a fold, roll it to the cheekbones, fix it and hold it for 5 seconds. Then take it to the ear. Let's do it 3 times. Be careful not to tighten the skin around the eyes. These exercises are good for shaping the cheekbones, removing swelling and tightening the facial contour. Let's work on the area around the eye. We put one finger on the beginning of the eyebrow and with the second finger pull a little to the side. And so we move along the interior eyebrow. Now move down, find the bone under the eye and don't go above it, so as not to stretch the thin skin around the eye. Move in the same small steps from the nose to the temple. At the end of the massage, we raise the eyebrow. Let's see the result. As a reminder, we're looking at the right side. I give myself a facial massage quite often, but I can still emphasize the following points. The eyelid doesn't drop so much, the cheekbones are visible a little more, and the excess volume on the lower part of the face is gone.